Dear all, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk to you about how I was able to determine the qualitative methodology used in the article that I chose. The article that I chose is called The Use of Grammar Translation Method in Teaching English, which is the one that I have here on my computer right now. I was able to determine this qualitative method because it basically, for a main reason, that is, it's just here in the abstract. It says that the descriptive qualitative method was applied, so it wasn't that difficult to find it out. But I want to tell you that it is important that when we are looking for the method, we should remember what's the difference between quantitative research and qualitative research. In the case of quantitative research, is when it shows preferences or probabilities, and there are variables that can be defined. But in this qualitative research, it is more about having the possibility to answer questions about experiences or meaning. There is no, in this case, there is no data to be measured, and the qualitative research might include group discussions, interviews, analysis of documents, or collection of evidence. Here in the article, we can clearly see that they use, as they mention here, they use the descriptive method, but we can also clearly see that they use the most common methods in qualitative research, which are participant observation. The other one is interviews, in-depth interviews, and focus groups. So they use those methods in this article. It mentions that when they were going to do this study, they decided to first observe two teachers. So after observing the teachers, they were actually interviewing them, asking them about why is it that they decided to use this type of grammar translation method for their teaching. And after the interviews, they also decided to analyze some information, analyze the questionnaires, and they draw a conclusion at the end, and they even told the teachers that after observing them teaching with this grammar translation method, they should take into account including different types of teaching, because just teaching with this grammar method, it doesn't help students to really be involved with the English learning, because they also need the practice of not just knowing the grammar. They also need a communicative approach. They need to be able to do other things like speaking and listening, and they need to really be involved in the culture of English, to be able to learn the language as a real thing and not just about something that they can read on books. Thank you very much for watching.